my Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you so much for your continuing support. And with that, I want to say thank you to everyone who made it happen. I am now, as when I checked yesterday, I was 501 subscribers. So thank you all for hanging with me. I want to thank Diamond Grandma a lot as well, because with her event I was able to get my numbers up, and so thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys all. Okay, so this is a completion. These are my last 3 canvases for hashtag Jungle Fever 23. So wanted to show you those. I have had such a great time doing this. I hope that Diamond Grandma lets me do it next March, since it was my birthday month. So I like I said, I had such a great time doing it, and it kept me busy, and I love that. So I have 3 partials that I did, and we'll start with the small one. I'm actually counting this as a full one because, well, I guess, I mean, the only thing that I didn't put any diamonds on was like this little part where her eye is, but everything else it's covered. I got this at Walmart at Christmas. On their end cap at that time, in the art and crafts part, they had like these little canvas kits. I haven't seen them since. And so I got one in my Secret Santa stocking, and so I asked him where he got it, and he told me it was Walmart. So I went back, and this was the only one that I really wanted to do. I can't remember what the other ones were, but I think there was just 3 of them. So it turned out really great. So it was like 10 colors. And like I said, everything is sticky, but that one little dot where the eye is, and I was just looking to make sure I didn't miss a number, but nope, that's it. So I'm counting this as a full. So this is actually, if I count this is my 9th full completion so far for 2023. I started this on the 27th, and then I finished it the next day. So it turned out really great. Okay, so now the other 2 are partials. So let me get to my page here, because I'm trying to keep up a journal. So I'm keeping my full canvases and my partials separate. Okay, so here is the second one. That looks really great, if I do say so myself. This was 12 colors. So it's crystals and special drills. I won this from, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Mindy's Diamond Moment. She gives away a monthly membership prize, and this was in there, I'm almost certain. So I'm not sure where she got this. I think so, but you guys, you know, I'm old, so I can't remember. So I probably bought it, but I don't remember buying this. So, but it looks really great. Let me tell you, these little slithers that are like around the flowers right there, and then there's some in the giraffes, those were a booger bear to put in. They're more in the, yeah, like right there. Oh my God. I started putting some in, and then I stopped. I was like, I will do you last because it was horrible to pick up, and I was using my tweezers, and if I was squeezing too hard, I had slithers flying everywhere. So I was like, was through with this. So this is the 30 by 30. Like I said, 12 different colors, crystals, and special drills. But it really turned out good. I'm really pleased with it. Okay. And so that is like my 8th completion of crystals for the month. Yeah. And then this is from Craftly. Here, let me get it. Let me move back just a little bit so you can get it all in. Then you move forward. There. That's better. So it's just the owl, not the background. Not this here, it's just the owl. This was 18 crystals and special drills. I started this on March 15th and I finished it on the 28th. What I found really tedious is that the outlines right here that outline that for whatever reasons it felt like it took forever. It didn't have any like really small pieces that like the slithers that were hard to handle. The bigger pieces were like right in here, and of course the belly button. There was just one. I did not run out of any drills on all of these that I did. But it's really good shine on it. So like I said, I got this at Craftly. I got this doing their Make It or Break It sale, and then if I'm not mistaken, I saw a post where I don't think they're going to do partials anymore, which I hope that they will rethink that, because I really enjoy doing them. You know, it's like a nice break from doing a regular canvas, but sometimes I wonder if or partials are a little more tedious just because you can't really go in a straight line, so you can't really multi-place. I was able to, like, around the eyes, those were pretty straight lines, but it's still, I found myself having to straighten a lot. So I kind of just gave up on trying to multi-place, and I just did I went back to single placing. But other than that, it turned out really, 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 really great. I like it. And nothing in the eyes were any stickier. So the background and the eyes, just the owl, that was it. Okay, well guys, that's it. I just wanted to get on here and to show you my completions. Also to let you know that because I am co-hosting with Diamond Grandma, what she's going to do is when she picks her name, then she'll pick the name for my group. She will send me the information and I will get it out to whoever the winner is. I'm going to give a $25 gift card. And so good luck to everyone. And again, thank you so much, Diamond Grandma, for letting me co-host. I enjoyed it. Also, I feel like I'm forgetting something because I always forget something. But it'll come to me and then I'll put it down in the description or something. But again, thank you for all the new members, for all the people who continue to come and visit my channel. I appreciate you riding the struggle bus with me. I am going to give a giveaway. I'm thinking that I probably won't do it until May because that will be my year anniversary, and so I will try to do something at that time, and hopefully I will have figured out, or someone will help me figure out how to work those wheels and I can do my own drawing. Okay, all right, so if you like this video, if you please hit that like button on the way out. It really helps my channel, and I thank you for it. If you would like to become a member of the Struggle Bus, if you'll hit that subscription button and also hit that bell to be notified every time that I put up a new video, I would appreciate that. So you guys have a great day. I am off today because I am going to go, and I think that if you've been here before, I've talked about I've sold my house, and so today is closing. So I'm going to go and sign all the paperwork, which is kind of a bittersweet thing. And so enjoy the rest of your day, and remember to be kind to one another, and keep cool and keep diamond painting. See you guys.